Alright, here is another way. If your chainsaw is really dull, alright, like you hit a nail from the 1800s that has very good metal, alright, you need to go with a grinder. See that wheel right there? Okay. You put this in a drill. Okay. And you put your wheel like that. You make sure you go in reverse. You have to lock your chainsaw. Alright. The chain won't move. Go. Make sure you go back and forth. Don't ruin your stone. There you go. That's very sharp. Ouch. If you don't have the ouch, then it's not sharp enough. Okay. Put your chain brake on. Get your stone in there. Ouch. Make sure it's razor sharp. That's how you do it, man. Get yourself some Oregon stones. Make sure you go back and forth. Keep your angle correct, and you will have a very, very sharp chain. And you can go kill a tree, man. Yeah, good stuff.